Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how we install this CCTV camera on the farm here in Lokoja. If you have not watched how we set up this farm, I will leave the link in the description box and also up here so you can watch all the videos that we've done, from clearing and plastering down to setting up the pond here in Lokoja. So like I said earlier, we want to set up a CCTV camera for the farm so that the client can be able to see the activities going on. I always advise my clients that if you are not based in Nigeria, or even if you are based in Nigeria but you might not be able to be on the farm always, you can get a security camera where you can watch the activity of the farm anywhere you are. And then this camera is a wireless camera and it has a space for memory card, and there I'm just going to be assembling the cameras. We have 6 cameras that we are going to install on the farm, and I'm going to be assembling them together and also installing them. So enjoy. If you want to get this camera to your farm, I'll leave the link to how you can buy it in the description box. So if you want more insight or you want more advice on how you can secure your farm from theft or anything, you can reach out to me via my email and also a message via my mobile number, which I'm going to drop in the description box and also is showing on the screen. One of the features of this camera that I like is that it can rotate at 355 degrees, and it also has a night mode where even at night, even if there's no light, there's a reflection of light that can show what is happening. Feature that you need to be wary of when installing your camera is the fact that you should not install where there are leaves or a constant moving object that wind can blow, because it is motion sensitive. So that what I mean by that is whenever the camera senses some movement around in front of it, it picks it up and show what's happening. And another thing is the fact that you can control the camera from anywhere. Like I said earlier, you can control the camera from your phone, and it has a two-way speaker, which means you can speak with whoever is on the farm, wherever you are, and the person can also communicate with you. So it's a two-way communication system. So this camera is a lot, it has a lot that you can do. One disadvantage that people might not want to like it, especially in Nigeria, like this, is the fact that it uses wireless, so which means you have to get an hotspot on your farm to be able to use it.
I don't wanna know the end. Sometimes I wish you never told me that you love me, 'cause I feel like I got too much to lose. And you tell me, baby, that's an excuse, and I wish I believed that was true. Sometimes I wonder if we meant to be. I guess that we gon' see. I ask myself, I wonder if I wanted too much. Overthinking, mind up in the clouds, would've done to get us down. I don't know. You know, my daddy wasn't around to make my mama smile for excuses. But honestly, I don't know why I still use them. I told myself I wouldn't lie in the music. 'Cause I usually keep my fist down on the low, put my diamonds out of chocolate. Don't wanna see it go, but I'm scared if I open up, you walk away. Look, I know that you've been let down before, so I try to stay composed. I just wanna hold you close, baby. Tell me, are you trying to leave? Or will you stay? Sometimes I wish you never told me that you love me, 'cause I feel like I got too much to lose. You tell me, baby, that's an excuse, and I eyes now, waiting to reply now. I'm not trying to seek you out for help. I've been on the road trying to find closure. Your secrets go cold and only God knows.
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
But what I do, I know that these times won't last forever. Baby, you've been down when ain't nobody else around, and I need you by my side. Just dealing with these feelings, I can't lie, but I need you. Sometimes
The camera is now ready to begin pairing.
I got too much to lose. You tell me, baby, that's an excuse. And I wish I believed that that was true. But I can't afford it. Deserve better, and I know you 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 deserve better, and I know.